Hey, it's me, Flory, and I want you to know that this is me, the real me, the one that I show it to you now. Because many people now in social media, you don't know really who they are. Sometimes they are using some of pictures and videos that are not really from them. But me, I just want to tell you that it's me. I am the real Flory Arndt. You can see me in all my social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and also my YouTube channel. I'm using the same name. And I hope you will follow all my social media accounts because I am only giving you guys